The conference or workshop attendance form should be completed anytime you're going to a conference or workshop, either as a participant or as a presenter. You'll fill in all the necessary information on the form, including your name, the date submitted, the title of the workshop, the dates of the workshop, the topic, the sponsoring organization, the conference location, how you'll benefit from the conference, how it supports your project goals, and how you'll share the information with your colleagues. You'll then include any estimated costs for the conference, including registration, transportation, lodging, meals, or miscellaneous expenses, and then sign the form. You'll then forward it to the appropriate accounting associate, who will sign and indicate whether funding is available or not available for the conference. The accounting associate will then forward it on to the appropriate director or supervisor, who will approve or deny the request. If it's approved, it will then be forwarded on to the agency administrator to be approved or denied. If a request is denied for any reason, you'll receive the form back along with a note indicating the reason for denial. Please keep in mind that the form should be submitted to the approval of the agency administrator prior to registration. If you need any travel arrangements made for your workshop, you can fill out the travel request form. Thanks for watching.